Hi, I'm back to Popmart and I'm gonna try this Have a Good Run series. This is a Chinese New Year themed collection. Hopefully makuha natin si Skullpanda, yung secret syempre si Rising Star, and okay lang din si Sharp Wisdom. Basta Skullpanda. Let's unbox this one. Tada! Ito yung Have a Good Run. So that is Sharp Wisdom and this is Rising Star, yung secret. Okay. Ang cute! Ang cute! Cute! Kasama na siya. Skullpanda. Pareho. So happy I got another Skullpanda. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!